Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we will be discussing the Oxygen Concentrator M50. This device has become an essential tool for people with respiratory problems. The Oxygen Concentrator M50 is a portable, reliable, and efficient device that can help you breathe easier. An oxygen concentrator is a medical device that takes in ambient air and concentrates the oxygen it contains to provide a higher level of oxygen for people with breathing difficulties. It is an alternative to oxygen cylinders and can provide a continuous supply of oxygen for extended periods. The Oxygen Concentrator M50 is a portable device that weighs only 24 pounds, making it easy to carry around. It has a flow rate of up to 10 litres per minute, and it can provide up to 93% pure oxygen. The device has an LCD screen that displays the flow rate, the purity of the oxygen, and other useful information. It also has a built-in alarm system that alerts you if the device malfunctions or if the oxygen flow is disrupted. The Oxygen Concentrator M50 has several benefits. First, it provides a continuous supply of oxygen, which means that you do not have to worry about running out of oxygen as you would with an oxygen cylinder. Second, it is portable, which means that you can take it with you wherever you go. This feature is especially useful for people who travel frequently or for those who need to move around the house. Finally, the device is easy to use and requires minimal maintenance. Using the Oxygen Concentrator M50 is simple. First, plug the device into a power source. Next, turn the device on and set the flow rate according to your prescription. You can adjust the flow rate using the buttons on the device. Finally, attach the oxygen tubing to the device and place the nasal cannula or oxygen mask on your face. The device will begin providing a continuous supply of oxygen. In conclusion, the Oxygen Concentrator M50 is a portable, reliable, and efficient device that can help people with respiratory problems breathe easier. It has several benefits, including a continuous supply of oxygen, portability, and ease of use. If you or a loved one has a respiratory condition, the Oxygen Concentrator M50 may be the perfect solution for you. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative.